Welcome back guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jish and this could very well be the last XJ650 build episode. Let that sink in. So we all know how long this build has taken and how long it was supposed to take. It's about 2.5 years now, I'd say, which is a lengthy build, but to me it's not about the length of time that you are doing the build. It is about what you learn along the way and where you get with it. And for me, I feel like we've got a very high quality bike build, especially for someone who's just a novice. And this, that's my second bike build. The CB, as cool as it is a little bit tatty around the edges compared to this, and that's what I'm really proud of, is the actual attention to detail in this build. And that brings us where we are today with what we're doing, and that is paint. Now, before we get any further in this video, I'd like to say thank you to today's sponsor, Skillshare. More on that later on. So today we are tackling the paint. There's a hell of a lot of prep work involved, and there's going to be some nice lines. We've actually got the paint, or shall I say paints? Either way, we're going to have some fun. We're going to learn something new. We're going to get stuck in and hopefully do a really nice job on this. So make sure you like this video and let's get straight into it. I've been going through the block, making sure the paint is actually smooth, because there were some little ripples in it. You can see a little bit of a guide coat here just to kind of like see where the lines are and making sure we've got nice flat smooth surfaces throughout. Yeah, it's getting there. There's a lot of work still left to be done. This is the most crucial part though. They always say it's the preparation that is key. It's worth doing and I want to do it well. So the plan is now to get the tank in the booth and the final steps of prep, which is wet and dry. I did it all yesterday, but we had to start again because there's a few imperfections, a few high spots and little things we weren't happy with. So, as you know, it's best to get the prep work right, and that's exactly what we're doing here. So there's no rushing. We want to make sure this right. You're also probably wondering why this video has taken so long to come out. So let me explain to you what's been going on over the last few months. Basically, I've been having trouble with tank liners, specifically Cream. I do not recommend using their tank lining kit. I had nothing but trouble. Within like 2 days of actually applying the Cream tank sealer liner, it failed and it all had to come out straight away. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll have seen in my stories months ago before Christmas that this was an issue, and I had to pull it all out and start again, which again is harder than actually putting it in, as you can imagine. But after that I ended up going with a Paul 15 kit and it's all been sealed again. But yeah, I'm glad we've got all that sorted and all put behind me. I never want to touch a Cream product ever again. But before we do get any further into this video, I'd like to say thank you to the wonderful guys over at Skillshare for sponsoring this video. If it wasn't for them, we wouldn't be here doing these videos right now. So Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring online classes. There is so much you can learn from just one website. From bike building to 3D modeling, there is definitely a course out there for you fellow builders. You can spend it creating and learning something meaningful. Skillshare offers membership with meaning, with so much to explore, real projects to create, and with support from fellow creatives, Skillshare empowers you to accomplish real growth. And with it being less than $10 a month for an annual subscription, you just can't beat it. And right now, the first 1,000 of my subscribers, to hit the link down below, will get a free trial of premium membership to explore and create. I personally love the courses and I know you guys will too, so thank you again Skillshare for sponsoring this video. Now let's get this XJ wrapped up. So the paint has dried and it's the next day and it's on the bike. I just couldn't help myself. I just needed to get it on the bike and just to see how it looks, to see how those lines flow, to see how everything's come together, because obviously this is the key point to how this bike is going to look. And hopefully I haven't disappointed. I'm super happy. I think it looks awesome. I don't think there's another XJ650 out there like this. So right now I'm going to give you a short sneak peek just to see what it looks like. But overall, you're going to have to wait till the main video comes out because there's still a few little things here and there we need to sort out. But anyway, let me show you how it looks and I hope you like it. So guys, let me know what you think. I think it looks so damn cool. So there we have it, another video of the XJ completed. I think this is for part 45 and 46. Yeah, we've had a few. As I said, you're gonna have to wait till the next video to see the bike completely finished and out of this workshop. I've got a few little surprises in mind, so keep an eye out for that. To all my Patreons, thank you for supporting this channel. It really means the world to me. It helps this channel keep going and growing, especially with things like this bike and this build. You can go and check out this Suzuki build on the GS playlist, so something there for everyone. We've done the CB125, the XJ650, and now we're working on this GS250. Hopefully there's more content coming up for you guys very soon. So thank you very much for watching. Like this video, subscribe if you're new, and I shall see you in the next video. Peace.